Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by switching Colab to a GPU runtime. Do that now so compute resources are available. Once done, run NVIDIA SMI to confirm device name, memory, and CUDA version so you know what drivers and libs to match. Next, mount your Google Drive and create a project folder so data and checkpoints persist. Then install core Python packages with pip. These steps ensure you'll run code on the GPU consistently and keep artifacts safe between sessions. Now you match your libraries to the GPU. Install the PyTorch or TensorFlow wheel that aligns with the CUDA version shown by NVIDIA SMI so kernels run without ABI errors. Make sure your script sets the device variable and moves models and input tensors to that device. Otherwise, code still runs on CPU. Once models are on GPU, use Torch. Backends, CUDA, benchmark or mixed precision for speed and profile memory with Torch. CUDA, memory allocated to avoid OOM crashes during training. You're at the finish line. Launch your training or evaluation, keep an eye on GPU utilization and memory with NVIDIA SMI, and save checkpoints regularly to drive so interruptions don't cost hours. When complete, export the model and logs to a persistent folder. If something goes wrong, first restart the runtime, then verify that CUDA and your framework versions match. Reinstall the correct wheel if needed. That one troubleshooting step, restart plus align versions, fixes most GPU runtime issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.